nowadays you send your resume with a short mail. Do you really need to make a cover letter nowadays?
I think, look, let's say in our example, if the candidate will apply through our recruiting site, so PMJ site or site, in this case, candidate will submit the resume, but usually they will not submit the cover letter. Why? Just because in Japan, the cover letter is not really common, right? So probably it will depend on the market requirements. So if you're applying in US, let's say, I think there the cover letter has quite a big priority, and recruiting companies are expecting from you to submit this specific document. But in our case, in Japan, there will be usually 2 documents which you would need to submit, which is Shokomori Rekisho, which is equivalent to the Western type of CV, and it will be Rekisho, which is a very traditional Japanese type of CV. So this will be the most 2 required documents you would need to submit. So having typos or mistakes in the resume, that's definitely no go, because that's one of the biggest reasons why people are being rejected. So please just review your resume, and I think there are a lot of tips how you could review and eliminate the mistakes. So just please go in Google, type how to review the document. For me, advice will be just try to read it down from bottom to top, try to speak it out loud. So there are different ways how you could double check if everything is correct. And I think one more advice which I will do, the last one, it's really be very concise with your statements. Don't try to overdo it in the resume, because some people submit us like pages and pages of their experience. Usually recruiters will never go through all these pages. So again, you need to be very concise and put your experience in a very good summary, like a bullet points, but also try to emphasize not only, again, this generic type of experience, but give a very specific examples on how you could contribute it in your current or previous job, so that person who is sitting in front of your resume can understand and apply this experience to his or her job.
How short is the screening time for a resume, because for a recruiter, right? Because recruiters receive tons of resumes.
Exactly.
I don't know how many you guys receive, but obviously you don't have that much time to actually review one resume and screen
and
one.
To give you an example, so on average, every recruiter has 6 seconds time to screen a resume. So you can imagine how short it is, and they don't have enough time to really look over it. So if you consider it, you need to be very concise in your statements.
It's really short.
It's very short, yes. It's very short. And again, the volume on the resumes which we receive, to give you an example, in Philip Morris Japan, we are receiving for a corporate position, so our headquarter position, we receive on average around 40 resumes per job, right? And for sales position, we receive on average around 100 applications. So it's a really big amount of applicants coming for a single job in our company. And because of this volume, to keep efficiency, recruiters try to screen the resumes based on the bullet points and the key points which are relevant to the job itself. So that's why my recommendation is definitely be very concise.